There are plenty of racy pictures for people who can see, but if you're blind, this may be the only way to cop a feel.
What?
Raised images of naked bodies with braille descriptions alongside. Some are calling it porn for the blind, but its creator, Canadian Lisa Murphy, has another term.
I call it nudie pictures.
The book is called Tactile Mind, and lots of folks might mind if we showed the raised image on the cover, but inside things are far tamer.
It's the torso, right?
Yep. But most of these torsos are wearing rabbit ears or elephant masks, as one critic joked.
Those were clearly Abyssinian drawings taken from the palace that Nebuchadnezzar built. And they're only a turn on if you're wearing a braided beard and riding a goat with golden horns on it.
Actually, they're wearing masks because it was easier for Murphy to get her friends to pose nude if their faces were covered.
I'm actually in the book as well myself.
Oh, you are?
Yes, but you can't tell who I am.
Murphy used to be a volunteer at the Canadian National Institute for the Blind. She spent 2 years and $14,000 making this book.
Ew!
What did it say?
You're gonna have to learn Braille.
Now, is it supposed to be arousing?
It has aroused a few people.
My gut feeling when I looked at that for just a second was like, A, it's hilarious, and B, that's it. Like, I don't have any other reaction to it.
The masks seem to throw off our blind testers.
It feels square.
I hope to God it's a camera or television.
It isn't sexy.
Well, maybe not for you.
To me, it's very cold and sterile.
Kevin Coughlin, it turns out, is gay, and I'd been giving him nude women to explore, but he felt the same way about the male images. Tactile Mind was a labor of love for Lisa Murphy. Her homemade book sells for $225. She sold fewer than 100 copies of what she calls nudie pictures.
Some other people have been calling it crap, but, you know.
Porn for the blind? You have to feel it to believe it.
Ew!
Jeannie Mose.
Ah!
CNN.
Oh, no.
New York.